366 positive affirmations to supercharge your life, or a positive affirmation a day drives the blues away. Published by Sylvester Renner. Copyright 2012, Sylvester Renner, all rights reserved. No part of this book may be reproduced in any form or by any electronic or mechanical means, including information storage and retrieval systems, without permission in writing from the author. The only exception is by a reviewer who may quote short excerpts in a review. Cover image by Lisa C. under Creative Commons Attribution. Attribution 2.0 Generic License. http://www.flickr.com/LISACEE/7423003944. This audiobook is licensed for your personal enjoyment only. This audiobook may not be resold or given away to other people. If you would like to share this book with another person, please purchase an additional copy for each recipient. If you're listening to this book and did not purchase it, or it was not purchased for your use only, then please purchase your own copy. Thank you for respecting the hard work and investment of this author. Table of Contents. The How-To Guide, How Affirmations Can Help You Live a More Productive Lifestyle. Affirmations by month: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Keys to an Empowered Lifestyle, Sylvester Renner's Personal Journey with Affirmations. About the author and other positive resources. "366 Positive Affirmations to Supercharge Your Life, or a positive affirmation a day drives the blues away." Dedication. This book is lovingly dedicated to my wife, Jasmine, and son, Daniel. Thanks for all you have been to and continue to be. I have been blessed tremendously and have learned so much from you. Our future is colorful and bright. About the author. Sylvester Renner is a visionary social entrepreneur.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?